Alright, chemistry, here's another sample problem coming at you from chapter 7, section 3. In this sample problem, we're going to calculate the molar mass of aluminum sulfide, which is Al2S3. During this video, I'll be referring to a 5-step process for calculating molar mass that is present in your video lecture, so be sure to watch the video lecture first, take proper notes, and then as you follow along with the sample problem, have the notes open to that 5-step procedure. First step in calculating molar mass is identify each and every element that is present in the substance. Next, go to the periodic table and identify the average atomic mass of each of the elements present. We'll get those written down. So aluminum is 26.98 and sulfur is 32.06. Next step, I'm going to take into consideration how many of each element are present. So for 1 mole of this substance, 2 moles of aluminum are present. And 1 mole of this substance, 3 moles of sulfur are present. Next, I will simply multiply those out. 26.98 times 2 ends up being 53.96. And for sulfur, 32.06 times 3 ends up being 96.18. Next step, I am going to add these values together. Again, I'll use my calculator off camera for some help. Be a little easier on myself. And my calculator will tell me 150.14. The appropriate units for molar mass are grams per mole. And before we say that we're done, we want to make sure we take into consideration significant figures. And for this function, addition is our very last function that we're carrying out. We want to make sure we consider how many digits are beyond each decimal point in the values that we actually summed. And we see that in both values there are 2 digits past the decimal point. And so I want my answer to be recorded with 2 digits past the decimal point. Well, that's actually how many my calculator gave me, and so I am good to say that the molar mass of aluminum sulfide is 150.14 grams per mole.